before the class, the opening of classes, we need to clean everything, fix everything, arrange everything, paint everything.
I can feel the frustration already.
Yun na nga. Actually, the thing about painting is that hindi naman siya talaga required.
Right.
Okay? We are not really required to paint everything, to do something out of our pockets. But, maluoy na lang gani mi sa situation.
Yes.
Like, if ikaw ba na ay kay anak or na kay student na ma-enjoy ba nimo ang student?
Environment.
Yeah,
yes.
if the child would not enjoy the area, dahil through initiative nga, we are kind of, asking for the others, to help out and so on. Kasi yung electric fan natin hindi na working, tapos yung paint natin kulang, mga ganyang mga bagay.
Yeah.
So, the parents also, they don't have this enough money to give. So, we cannot force them.
Anyway, there's a lot of responses and a lot of support from your first
Thank
episode.
you.
Grabe kay ka. Yun yung malakas sa'yo is like, ano ka pa talaga, malakas ka sa mga students mo.
As Miss Grand Canal kasi.
Self-depreciating humor,
kapuya.
bro. Sige lang, like, I'm just really happy because we're actually back here in this space and then I'm talking to the one and only Miss Jelway Kalma. Palagi siyang kalma and then, siya yung aming kalmadong mother dito. Mother ka na.
Hindi po.
Hindi pa.
Puhon.
Sige lang. And actually, I just wanted to actually show my appreciation, especially you coming back here. And then after that, yung successor ng first episode, especially you. Like, nakita namin doon, how much of your students and even the parents talaga loved you.
Thank you.
Thank
you.
Ano yung sabi nila, yung tinanong, ano yung reactions nila when they saw the first episode?
Artista na ka, ma'am.
Wow.
Oo, ito mga first yung mga reaction. Artista na ka, ma'am. Ma'am, nakita ka online. Ay, nariki podcast, ma'am. Tapos, asa na ang part 2? Ang ako asa na part 2?
Wow.
Mas grabe, asa ang part 2? So,
wala, dili ma part 3. Wala pa na ako ng part 2.
Sa part 2 taas pa. Ay, part 2 taas pa kung buhok. Part 2 kini mo paupaw na lang ko sa part 3.
May ko ba wala ni buhok ba no? Sige lang, bakit kaya may progression, may pinagdadaanan.
May answer tayo diyan, mga kaibigan.
But yes, like, we're just very happy because malapit na, school is probably at this point, when this is going to be released, school's already in session ulit, When you were actually preparing for school, but how did you guys prepare, especially sa school year na to?
Well, we have this program, Brigada Eskwela. It's like a week before the class, the opening of classes, we need to clean everything, fix everything, arrange everything, paint everything. And then, yun nga!
I can feel the frustration already.
Yun na nga!
One week.
Hello, mga kaibigan!
Diba?
Yes, nag-start siya. Actually, I really enjoyed my 30-day uninterrupted vacation. Hindi talaga ako nagpa-interrupt.
Right.
Yes, and then after that, we are given like 1 week to prepare before the classes. So, start ako ng Monday. Pag pasok ko ng Monday, then here comes mga cobwebs.
Cobwebs, okay.
Yes, cobwebs everywhere. Ma-feel mo talaga ang presence.
Feel mo yung presence ng mga espiritu.
Yes. Na-feel nila yung 30-day uninterrupted vacation namin.
Pati po ng mga spirits dito.
Yes, oo. Grabe.
They had 30 days of vacation po. Wala mga shaggy.
Thank you so much.
Diba?
Yeah, thank you so much for the 30-day uninterrupted vacation. We really enjoyed it. And then, yun lang, na-enjoy talaga.
I mean, like, that's pretty much what it really is, diba? Like, when you have your vacation, especially for teachers, it's a relief talaga.
Yeah.
Because at least in this case, you're not managing anymore, like, kids.
It's like...
Unless meron na nung ibang kid na.
Diba, yung ibang kids din, meron din.
may iba kang kids.
Yeah. Ha? Puhon. Puhon.
Jel is manifesting kids, by the way, guys.
Not now.
Not now.
Later.
Okay, sige, sige. I'm gonna pivot para it's not talk about
Yes.
kids or something like
Yes.
that kasi baka uncomfortable masyado, right?
Yes.
Alright, sige, sige. So, in this case, ba, like, what are you looking forward for this school year? But do you think there's going to be changes or if you have the power to change it?
Wow!
Di ba?
Thank you for that
Sige, sige,
wonderful
sige.
question. I wish and I really hope that I have this very interactive. Actually, we had this meeting, I think, around a week before the Brigada Escuela, just to inform us na yung grade level namin. So before, I was
Ah.
assigned in grade 3 and now I am now assigned sa grade 4.
Oh, it's not permanent yung ano mo, grade.
Yes, hindi. That's the thing about the elementary level. We are given any kinds of level as long as the principal can see na, ay, fit ka dyan.
Mm.
Yes. But it depends upon the leadership of the principal kasi.
Right.
And then after that, after the meeting, I just accepted it na nasa grade 4 na ako. But the thing, though nag-change yung grade level ko, hindi po nag-change ang classroom ko.
Oh, wow.
Yun pa rin yung classroom ko. Yung walang CR.
Wala. Ay, plea na yun, plea.
Kaya yung walang CR po, opo. Ako lang sa lahat ng classrooms doon sa school namin ang walang CR.
Seryoso?
So alam niyo na po yung homeroom project namin.
CR po for CR for Jelavi Calva.
Yeah. Uy! Yes. And then I just made sure, with the preparations that we had, we have this checklist as well that we need to comply. And then after that, fixing everything, yung mga sira, painting everything actually.
Oof.
Actually, the thing about painting is that hindi naman siya talaga required.
Right.
Okay? We are not really required to paint everything, to do something out of our pockets. But murag maluoy na lang gani mi sa situation.
Yes.
Like if ikaw ba na ay kay anak or na kay student na ma-enjoy ba nimo ang student?
Environment.
Yeah,
yes.
if the child would not enjoy the area. So I just made it clean, neat. The same thing. Clean, organized as much as possible, and then pleasing to the eyes talaga. It shouldn't be so dark. The paintings that I had kay kanang kuan jud siya school friendly, student friendly ana siya.
Especially like at kung saan ka na-assign, right? It's like 4th grade, di ba? Grade 4. Those are some of the formative years pa rin, di ba, talaga ng mga kids. And then yung environment where they're in is going to impact how they're going to absorb the lessons, how they're going to actually be there talaga mentally.
True.
Even physically. Like, pag yung dark yung classroom, it's like ikaw, di ba? Like, you don't want to be there.
So dark ako? Ibalik.
There's so many episodes na pwede na ako makancel. Like,
Sorry. No, it's like...
I'm just like... I'm not gonna respond to the allegations.
Ay, sige, balik to. So, the dark areas of the classroom and so on.
Kung balas juga ito dyan.
Makuantaan ni Marok.
Yeah, I know. I'm ano lang.
Ay,
Grounding
balik.
myself para hindi ako mag-respond. You'll never know. Sige, going back there. Kung dark yung classrooms, like even you physically can actually feel how heavy it is to actually learn.
True. It helps a lot if the classroom is, it looks spacious even if gamay lang ang classroom, as long as neat, as long as organized, and pleasant to the eyes.
Right.
That's the 3 things that I do. And then also, ang color combinations as well. Like, kung nag-neon green ka, parisa nimo og pink, magkabuang siguro ang bata og tan-aw ana. So you have to combine the green with the white.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
merong may parang scholar psychology that you guys have to use.
Dapat merong color combination and everything, or else it will really hurt the brain, the brains
yes.
of the students.
So, yeah, especially like bright colors na.
Yes.
Like, I feel like we all know that at this point already, especially yung mga iPad kids, 'di ba?
Yes.
Na the brighter colors actually hinder their or at least yung attention span nila, so it's not really that good. I don't know. Parang pero at least I'm really happy that you're actually able to share some of these things because I know like not a lot of this are being broadcasted talaga.
Yes. Actually, as what I said earlier, 'di ba? Hindi siya pinush talaga ng DepEd technically. We are just doing it through our initiative na. And then dahil through initiative nga, we are kind of, asking for the others, to,
To help out.
to help out and so on. Kasi yung electric fan natin hindi na working, tapos yung paint natin kulang, mga ganyang mga bagay.
Yeah.
So the parents also, they don't have this enough money to give. So we cannot force them. So we force ourselves.
Through creativity na lang siguro.
Yes.
And then after grit na lang talaga.
Yes.
Kung paano yun siya isolve.
True. We have this classroom obligations sa room, and then the parents would pay for it, And then, though dili siya, mura siya ka ng mga naipon, gani nga mga bayro nun, gani sa mga bata.
Okay.
Like, for example, yung 5 pesos, ganito, 5 pesos, and then 10 pesos.
Mga
Ganyan
yung
ba?
mga collections.
Yung mga collections. And then, hindi siya nabayaran for the whole school year. So, kapag ma-save yan siya, then we could buy other things na. We do recycle our money as much as possible. Yeah, that's it.
That is... Grabe yung grabe yung state.
Galing ka, no?
I mean,
bigay niyo sa akin yung money niyo. Marunong ako mag-budget.
Mami Jen.
Yeah.
Diba,
Galing ka mag-budget.
Diba at this point, people would really consider, especially mga estudyante mo, they really consider it like as their second mother na rin talaga. Because,
thank you.
like, napaisip ako actually, I was like, coming here, sabi ko like, ano ba magandang topic para kay Jel actually, I was like, ano ba? Because we already talked about like yung life niya, like, punta siya dito, barko, whatever.
Yes.
Pero I was like, siguro yung niya, yung relationship niya with the students talaga, especially because yung response from the first episode was very surprising, Like, I did not expect that a lot of, talaga.
The same.
I did not expect na yung mga students mo mismo would actually be the one to be there to really support you. Kasi knowing like, at that, sila mga what grade, usually?
When I handled them around grade 3.
But now, siguro mga
mga
sila?
around high school.
Oh, okay.
4, 5, 6 are high school.
Kasi I was in the thinking that this is probably third grade din sila.
Yeah. We have this kind of thing na when we have this child or student na grade 3. So, grade 3 pa rin sila sa utak namin.
Yes. Di ba?
Which is kind of wrong. Tapos, pag makita na namin sila sa labas, Ma'am, grade 8 na ko. Ay, grade 8 na day ka. Sige.
Yeah. That was the talaga, parang yung progression na like, we kind of forget na they grow up.
Yes.
Kids grow up.
True.
So sa mata nyo, there's still that that grade or that age.
Yung
and then after
batang
that,
sipunin pa rin.
yes,
Ay,
that's
sorry
true.
po.
Pero, like, question, like, were there any specific type of relationship that you actually loved with the kids that you handled?
Well, I think one of the things that I would say, I think I mentioned this before, na whenever they are finished in my school year, they would go back to my classroom. And then, when they go back to the classroom, they would say, Ma'am, gimingaw mi sa imuha, Ma'am. Pwede ikaw na lang balik ang among teacher, Ma'am. Pwede ikaw na lang balik, Ma'am. Tapos,
come back talaga.
Yes. Pwede man ibalik. Bagsak lang. Pero dili mo na pwede, di ba?
That's true.
Oo.
Alright.
But, I enjoy their company. Whenever I am with this certain group, I always try, I always do my best to enjoy their company. Kay,
you should.
for sure, later on, that's the only memory that you will leave to those students. And then, lain po ng ilang last memory sa imuha, kay ka na, maldeta man jud kay ito nga maestra, oy, di jud tumahangyo siya.
Right.
Oo, di jud makaon iyang batasan pud, oy, marig nga na, gani.
Makes sense.
So, that's why I do my best. I'm not saying na mabait talaga ako.
Uh-huh.
Maldita din po ako.
Meron
mataray din po ako.
May boundaries
Yes.
si Jel. Pero yan yung maganda kasi like I realized actually na like I said kanina, diba, like teachers are basically the second parents. And I think to some degree parang teachers are actually one of the best examples of a good parent.
Thank you.
Actually, because you're actually teaching that students, but at the same time, you have to discipline them.
Oh, yeah.
Unfortunately, most parents nowadays don't discipline anymore.
Kind
Merong
of.
konti, may konting
Yes po.
part na they don't know how to discipline their kids anymore.
Kind of, yes
Yeah.
po. I will not say na lahat po.
Yeah, of course it's not not
Yeah.
everyone. It's not everyone.
I will
I love
just
my
say,
I love my mama.
thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
I will just say some of the
Yes.
parents, they would really just, ikaw bahala.
Yeah.
They have this
Yun
kind
yun.
of mindset that they're putting to their children or to their students na, ikaw bahala, imuha ng choice, you know? Giving that kind of responsibility to the child has this pros and cons.
Yeah.
The pros about it, they will give, you will give them independence. But the thing about the cons, kanang sobra na pod.
Yeah.
Oo.
Too much.
Too much to the point na mahimo ng badlongon. And that's the hardest part na unsaon na pag-fix later on. By the age 1 to 7 or 0 to 7, I think I've read this one, 0 to 7, formative years na sa bata, mao na siya ang murag fixing of the attitude sa bata. Oo, by 7 to 8 makita na niya, 7 to 9 mag-manifest na tong batasan niya from 0 to 7. And then pag abot na niya og 9, 10 until mga 18, dira na po magkita ang mga katag kay teenager naman.
Right, that's true.
Yeah,
That's
the moment
true.
na ma-teenager ang bata, okay na nga, ganong badluon man kay ka. You cannot fix that in one day. Dapat 0 years old. Nabay 0 years old. by
Months.
the time na gipanganak nimo sila, dapat na-adjud mo certain parenting. I mean, there's no school for parenting, okay?
Unfortunately.
Yeah, there's no school for that. Sorry to say. But it would be nice, it would be better if you have this certain structure that you will follow so that dili mawala sa kanang passing ang bata ba.
Yeah.
Mao man jud na to ingnon pud nimo nga kanang hatagan nimo like free will but not so much.
Okay. From what I'm actually taking away from that is that parents talaga, once yung bata papasok ng school, their responsibility should not also stop.
Yes.
Diba? Na just because binigay quote unquote, diba? Binigay mo na yung anak mo doon sa teacher for them to actually go to school, na hinto na rin yung responsibility mo doon.
True.
So even there, you still discipline them, you still teach them how to be a good student.
Yes,
diba?
as much as possible.
As much as possible. Kasi parang nagko-co-parent kayo.
Yes.
I think that's the right
It should be co-parenting from the very first place.
Right.
Kay ang nahitabo man good, the moment na musulod na ang bata sa amua, and then the parents, of course, magsalig sa amua. And it's okay nga magsalig ang parents sa amua. But if sobra ra pug salig si parents, dili na mag-coincide si parents og si teacher. Kay ni ana naman god nga, unsa may natun-an nimo sa eskwelahan ka na imong mga natun-an. And then ana na pud si teacher nga, unsa may natun-an nimo sa inyong balay? Kana
Okay.
na lang pud imong natun-an.
Okay,
So lisod jud kaayo siya. It should go hand in hand. That's why right now we are thankful that we have this what we call group chats on FB Messenger, and then we try our best to give feedback. But if I see that the child, a certain student, has this hard time on having this attitude concern or grades concern, I would talk to that certain parent and I would say, Ma'am,
okay.
Sir, or as much as possible sa card giving, report card
Kasi like,
giving.
di ba, usually one-on-one man.
Yes, sa report card giving, the moment na ginapahulat jud na akong ubang parents, kaya ang ubang mga parents, ma'am, nagdali ko, ma'am, ma'am, no, it shouldn't be like that. You should take time to learn what is your child doing inside the classroom. Kay lahi baya ang ubang bata inside sa classroom, tas na ubang bata sa balay. Oh yeah. Nayingana nga style sa bata.
That's very interesting. You know, you actually sharing that one because it made me reflect on something like the way that it's a reflection of the parent and then kid relationship. Actually, it's like if the parent they're not giving time to actually learn about what their kids do sa school.
Yes.
That actually goes to show po na even sa balay,
yes,
they're probably not taking the time to take care of their kids.
Napo yung bang parents na sobra ra pud kay nila kasalig sa student, what they would do is they would give the certain chores na parang hindi naman pambata na.
Okay.
Oo. So maybe economic wise
Mm.
my problem, or their family,
Understandable.
yeah, there are some problems, but
Mhm.
as much as possible ingato unta ang structure.
Mm.
Oo, hand in hand jud siya karon kung it goes with a broken family. I'm sorry, wala ko'y makuan, but naaman jud na yung mga head pod ato nga mga bata.
Mhm.
I think katong mga head sa mga bata, guardian, mga datong term.
Yeah,
Ang mga guardian,
okay.
ang mga guardian, I think mo pod to sila dapat amutabang. Oo.
How big is how big of an effect is family relationship when it comes to the learning ng mga kids dun sa school mismo?
Naamang gud may mga class program, school program rather.
Mhm.
And then in the school program, of course, we present dancing, singing, and more siya culmination
Mm.
of the things that we have done sa butang na to in that quarter. So by the culmination day, i-present na mo siya.
Okay.
And then inig-present na mo, nami uban nga dili mo abot kaayo, kanang walay audience.
Okay.
Oo. And it gives a big impact once na mag-show up lang ang parents. Showing up. Just showing up. That's it. Yeah, true. Just showing up.
So meaning
It doesn't matter like siguro maulaw siguro si parent na mo duol sa teacher. Pero if the student or child would see the support coming from the parents, or regardless kung busy si parent or dili, basta mo show up lang siya, dako na kayo nag-smile habang nagasayaw.
That is true.
Dagan
I agree.
kaya nag-impact sa bata na they would be feel loved, supported, and then cared for. Kay wala biyaan ni mama ang iyang labonon, iyang trabahoon just for
From one
me.
to lang, tama.
Yeah.
That's a good takeaway talaga na for parents, even for future parents, really just showing up for your kids has a tremendous impact on how they show up themselves sa school.
Just show up. That's it.
That's it.
It hopefully I am hoping by this school year that the parents would do that as well. Kaya naman sa parents nga dili kinagaadto kay
Right.
BC
Of course.
or OFW ang kanang kuan, so diligent sila kaadto para sa performance, just show the support, the love, the care. If what the student needs, just give it to them.
Makes sense. How do you deal with, or hindi naman deal, how do you support students who are having a hard time, especially like we've just been discussing na yung family dynamics usually affects their schooling talaga. How do you support those kids?
That's where my motherness comes in.
Okay.
Yes, and then usually I would do the one-to-one or one-on-one talk. Gani. And then when we talk, like, naon sa kang kasabalay. Dili siya pina-teacher nga style of talking. It's more on friendly, at the same time motherly talking. Like, I have this student before, na wala, namatay ang mother. Tapos, I was asking her, like, how are you na ba? What are you doing? So, what kind of support can I give you? Ana. And then, kini dili pa masabtan sa bata, nga nawalaan siya parent. Kay, ang iyang edad, kay 9 years old pa.
Oh.
So, dili niya mag-gets pa. Tapos, maano na siya, ay, gailan magpagkaon, ma'am, kung nakay pagkaon, or kanang, lang, ma'am, ingani. So, mura na akong mahatag support. Ana akong ginahimo ko. Kay, again, wala na yung parent. So, more on support lang, chud. Seryoso kayo, no? Grabe na.
Seryoso
kaya itong mga topic, no?
Ganina nagsugod, like, it was very fun.
Light kayo.
Let me switch this off.
Like, it's really different, Jude, once you are in the field. In the private school before, somehow, I am so thankful na most of my students, they are really loved by their parents. Gamayng appreciation lang sa mga bata, like, gamay nga award lang, maabot, Jude, ang parents. That's the good thing about the private school. They prioritize their children as much as possible. While sa public manggod, they still prioritize. However, dili jud siya ingana ka duot kay tungod sa mas busy sila sa trabaho. Instead na moadto pa sila sa imuha, mas unahon nila ang trabaho nila.
Tama.
And
then sometimes parang it becomes a cycle. Di ba?
Wala gani ko kaadto sa imong kuya. okay lang.
Then gipasa na lang pud nila, and then
Oo,
after
nagiri ko
that
kaadto sa imong kuan.
sila namud ako na maging parents na pud sila, di ba?
Yeah.
They end up
Mm-mm.
probably doing that to their own kid as well.
Yes. Kanang napod ko yung mga ubang students that they're so smart, you
Mm.
know? But the parents would just say, okay naman na, okay naman like 75. Mom, bright good kay mong anak, mom. Like, they are so smart.
Mhm.
Like, they could go higher than this. 75 is not for them. Kaya lang si parent, dilipod kay nga naka-pushy, kanang dilipod kay nga naka
Mm.
supportive,
Yeah.
like, ay, okay naman na 75, okay na, makapasar pa ka,
Yeah.
ana. So, ay, mura, unsa natay term, ana, kanang, nakalimot ko sa term niya, murag magsalig na lang. Natay yung
Mm.
term, ana, nga ginagamit
Oo.
sa kuan na tuwa. Tapos mo to, magsalig na lang si parent, niya magsalig na pud si
Right,
kuan,
we call
student.
it parang retirement plan.
Murag nga na, dili po siya kanang magsalig siya sa ilahang attitude na lang gani, sa ilahang
Yeah, we're running out of words, guys. It's like kulang
sige,
kami sa pagkain.
Oo, kulang sa pagkain. For example, si parent, tapos na siya student is iyahang anak kay nakadawat og 75 nga grado.
Mm.
Karon 75 ang grade sa anak, tapos si parent okay lang na.
Hindi
Okay
siya
lang yan.
nagpo-push.
Oh, yun. Hindi siya pusher.
Hindi siya pusher.
Yun yung word.
Yeah, pusher.
Yun ba yung word?
Dealer.
Oo. Hindi kayo siya nag-push sa bata. Yung sayangan ko kay Bright ka yung
Yeah.
bata.
And unfortunately, we can't, like you said kanina, we can't fault the parents kasi walang school for parenting talaga.
Yes.
Maybe that's the only thing that they knew when they grew up na
Mm-mm.
parang, 75 is okay. And really, 75 is okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it would affect later on.
But it
you
would
know?
affect later on kasi like
Yeah.
it actually shows up in how you do your work.
Yes.
Diba? If lahat ng work mo is pasang-awa lang, or like 75 in this case,
Mm-mm.
that just means whenever you do yung totoong work talaga in the real world, you're just
Wala
doing
pasang-awa lang?
75% lang
Yes.
instead na 100% yung gagawin.
Ganun nagsalig na lang dyan. So,
Yeah. If there's one thing that you can actually tell the parents or let people who are watching this right now,
Mm-mm.
what advice can you tell them about their kids?
Well, I hope and I pray that you would push your children,
Push.
them to their limits, but not too much. Like, yung balance lang.
Yeah.
Namagyoban pong parents, nga kanang, ganong ikaw kay kanang kuan, ingani, tas gina-compare na pud sa laing mga students. No. Push them to discover themselves, but do not compare your child. Never. Again, promise, it will break their hearts into pieces because I've experienced that as well. I progress well on my academics. Hawd kay ko, ningkamot jud ko. Tanan mga extracurricular, hawd kay ko. Pero once na i-compare ko ato akong classmate gani, ay jay mura jud kog mabuang ko. Ngano i-compare ko nimo sa isa rag kilay? Ngano i-compare ko nimo sa lago?
Mayroon ko ba? Baga, uy, ay gamay naman din.
Gani, pisjud kay siya kilay, day. Pero nga, ngano i-compare ko ni, kanang i-compare man gud ko sa ACADS, i-compare din ang ACADS, dili day physical.
Right.
Sus na, stress. Yeah, just push them.
Push them.
But not
just
compare.
Enough. Parang just enough lang.
But do not compare, please. The moment na mag-compare, dira na magsugod ang jealousy. Yeah, magsugod na ang mga anxiety. Dira na magsugod ang mga mental health problems.
Issues, right?
Never compare.
It's never the kid's problem usually.
It's us. Sorry.
Well, it's us.
Sorry po.
Totoo naman, it's usually us. It's not their problem. It's usually us. Especially yung mga mga generations that are bringing them up. Diba?
What we learned when we were younger, of course, it has changed over time na po. Hindi na po tayo yung last time na learning na kada mali is palo.
Tama.
So now, you need to process it to your children, to your students, as much as possible. Kaya para masabtan nila anong mali sila.
True.
Okay, natay mga processing delay. Dili pwede nga, okay, face the wall. Okay, kuan ka. Okay, sit down. Okay, stand up. Diretso na magaling na ng uban, which is not good. So, ako, bahalag lampas-lampas akong oras sa klase as much as possible. Gina-explain ako.
Okay.
Oo. Yeah, my type of discipline in my classroom, I do not touch my children or my students. I do not do some physical things. But what I do, mabundak jud ang tanan mabundak.
Mhm.
Ang mga bangko mabundak, but with the bundak na style, kaisa lang jud na, "Pap, unsa akong giingon?"
Right.
Unsa dito nang gistoryahan nato? O balik ta, balik ta. Ay nga nang kini nga processing dugay kinamahuman actually. Mura kog kanang nag-meeting gani og kanang
Oh.
kuan mga gagmayng bata. Sus mura jud ko mabuang pero sige lang. Sige lang hapit na bitong klase. May experience na pod ako ni Ron.
At this point, it's already started.
Yeah. Hopefully nga nindot na ta ako. Char lang.
Manifest.
Woo!
Magandang
Thank
magandang classroom.
Oo,
Like,
magandang kaayo.
Anyway, last na because
Yes.
last time we ended with like what's keeping you, what's motivating you to keep pressing play.
Yeah.
Then sabi mo is like, to create better students talaga.
Yes.
Diba?
Better generation of children or adults pala. Young adults. Yeah.
If
So-
there's baliktarin natin in a way, instead of me asking you that, what do you feel like, how should like the students and the parents keep on pressing play for the betterment of their kids pa?
So, doon sa question, ay. Wait
Oo.
lang. Ang sa balik yan. Balik sa question, what? Di ba? What? Nag-listen pod ka. How?
How? It's not what anymore.
Sige,
it's
how.
How can the parents help their kids press play on their education?
Better future pa rin.
Damn.
Yeah, I think I would say, how will they press play
Yeah, how will
for
they
the
help
better,
alam?
how will they help
Mhm.
for the better education? Just aside from showing up, show up naman to akong term, no? Akong gingon, no? Just show up and be there for them.
Mhm.
I think that's my answer. There's no other support that they would want aside sa family lang.
Mhm.
It's always the family. Tinuod yun na ilang giningon niya, family first, because it's the family that will support. And hopefully, you are not also the family that will bring them down.
Oh.
Please lang.
Grabe.
Just support them on anything that they would do. You will see that your students or your children will bloom so much. I've seen that already. Ni bloom jud ang bata. Before, hinay jud kay siya mabasa, and then later on, nag-bloom na siya, nag-honor student na siya. That's what I want you to do. Just support your child, show up, and everything will follow.
Nice.
Ano po?
Grabe, galing, amazing.
Wow.
Like you can actually really tell that she loves her students because she doesn't call them her students, she calls them my children. Mother Jen.
Gina-portray naman yun ako pagka yung mother.
I know, right? You're manifesting it into something. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for actually
Thank
watching
you.
this episode. If you feel like you've learned a lot of these things, and also you've learned a new or you've gone deeper pa, another level of
Yeah.
understanding,
We're
especially
way
sa
more
students.
serious now.
I know, right? We're not laughing anymore.
Yeah.
We're still laughing. Katawa na, magod ka dyan.
Gani, sorry na God.
Yeah, diba? But anyway, we actually love this conversation, especially getting to know a lot of the things that are not being publicized talaga.
Mm-mm.
And that's pretty much the point of this conversations. And if you guys actually want more of these, just let us know. Kasi I am going to help out as much. We're
Nanay air ko, chela.
solicit. No, we're gonna help out as much as many people that we can actually,
Yes.
by bringing in people here from different backgrounds so that they can actually relate and be of help to you. So yun lang yung mga insights namin. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, follow us on our pages, share our socials and our content to everybody who you feel like needs it. And that would really help us reach a wider audience pa talaga. And as always, just keep on remembering to press play. Bye!